So over here in GIMP, let me just go around and make some few layers. So I have one layer right here, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and brush and make a layer right here. Let me just go around and make another layer as well, and then select out another color right here, just like this. And then I'm just going to go around and brush around over here. So there's another layer over here. I'm going to create another layer as well. So let's just have a total of 3 layers right here. So I'm just going to go around over here, and the third layer right here, just like this, and this is what you have. And over here on the right hand side, you can see the layers right here that I can go around and then rearrange out by clicking on these arrows right here, just like this. So that is what I have. I can go around onto move tool and move out the layers wherever I like right here. So apart from that, in order to have better control over the layers, you can also go around and work around with layer stack menu. So to do that, you can go around onto the layer right here, just like this, and then what you can do is you can go around onto stack right here. So over here you can see that this is the layer stack menu right here, and over here you can see that you have an option to send this to the next layer or select the bottom layer and so forth. So what I can do is, let's say for example I have this layer selected, I can go around onto layer, onto stack right here, and what I can do is I can go around and select the next layer, and the next layer is selected. I can go around over here onto stack and select the top layer, as you can see right here. I can go around over here onto stack and select the bottom layer, for example, right here, and so forth. So you get what to select right here. You also have the option to raise the layer right here onto the top. So the background is raised to the top from this layer, so you can see that it is hidden. Or you can go around over here onto layer, onto stack, and lower the layer as well. You can also go around onto layer and then go to stack menu and raise it to the top as well. So once you raise that, you can see that the background is on the top. What you can also do is you can reverse the order of layer right here by going on to stack and by reversing the layer order. So background is at the bottom, and you can see that the layers order has been reversed. And that is how you can work around with the layer stack menu right here, just like this, to have better control over the layer arrangement according to how you want. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.